so excited, you guys. Today we are kicking off our 14-day booty challenge. If you're not signed up yet, I'll put the link below for you. Go get signed up. It's totally free. And for the next 14 days, we're gonna be focusing on making your backside super bootylicious. All right, I did a serious home goods haul. So you guys, I have like my candles and lotions and potions and all the Halloween goods in here. I just love coming in because it just gives me all the fall vibes. And then my adorable gold sheep fall pants. And they're perfect for today's workout because we're focused on the booty, and everything we're doing today is going to be HIIT exercises. So we're going to get the most bang for our buck, just a few minutes going all out. All right, so we have 5 different exercises. I'm going to show you guys each move before we get started so you know exactly what to do. We're going to do it for 40 seconds all out and take a 20-second break. You know, this month has been all about anti-anxiety and de-stressing, and so this workout is going to be perfect because sometimes when you want to de-stress, you need to just like chill out, and sometimes you need to like go all crazy, and it'll just help get all that like unnecessary energy out so you can feel calm and good. So as part of our booty challenge to kick things off today, that is what we are doing. If you're signed up for the booty challenge, or if you're gonna go sign up, comment below, I'm in, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little like, and let's do this. All right, you guys, so our first move is a Frankenstein squat, obviously. So your feet are gonna come hip distance, arms straight out in front, pull your shoulders down and back, belly button pulls in tight. Sit your booty back and down, squeeze your glutes as you get lower, 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 draw that belly in. Exhale, push through the heels, come up, tap opposite hand to toe, sit down nice and low, and then switch it out. Moving as fast or as slow as you can go. Our next move is gonna be a mummy kick. So it's kind of like a curtsy squat. You're gonna come out to the side and then kick out with your leg to the side, tapping with your hand. So you're gonna come down and out. Good, lower and lift. Squeeze into those obliques. Then we're gonna do a creepy crawly. So, as the name suggests, on the floor, you're gonna crawl forward, forward, back, back. Opposite hand and foot moving simultaneously. We'll come back up to standing, switch sides on those mummy kicks, out and kick, lower, out and kick. And then our last move to bring it all home is a bat jump. So you're gonna get low like a little creepy bat, and then exhale, explode up, wrap it up, and up. All right, you ready for this? Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do this one time together. You can do this just one round. It'll take you 5 minutes. Anytime you just need to like get all that energy out, or you can do 4 total rounds for a 20-minute HIIT workout. Let's get started with those Frankenstein squats. Sitting nice and low. Good, exhale, kick it up and tap. Good, you don't have to kick that leg super high. Just get it up there. Try to at least get it to touch your hand, keeping your arms at shoulder height, keeping your chest lifted, booty back and down. Again, you can take these nice and easy if you need to slow it down a little bit, or you can try to move even faster, like woo, and really get that heart rate up. Woo. Good. Scare all those calories away. Nice and low, tap, down, and tap. Just about 5 more seconds of this move. Then we have a 20-second break. Last one. Exhale, shake it off. All right, shake your booty, shake your booty. We have those mummy kicks. So again, that one is you're gonna curtsy squat. Exhale, kick out to the side. You can grab onto a counter or chair if you have one at home. Heart rate's already up, this is good. Get down low in 3, 2, 1. Exhale, kick. It's like you're trying to get that gauze off while you're mummy wrapping. Kick it out. Squeeze your abs on the side. Good. Out. Sit down and back. Make sure you're working that booty. Woo. Exhale, kick. Good. Halfway there. This is when you really feel it, when you isolate that side. Exhale. Good. 10 more seconds. Come on. Last 4, 3, 2, woo, 1. Give that booty a little tap. It's working for you. Oh my gosh. Okay, shake it out. We have creepy crawlies. This is good. Your feet on the floor, all the way down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, up, up, back, back, up, up, back. Back. Keep your butt low. Good. You got this. Core is tight. This one's a little tricky because you get that shoulder, your core, but I want you to keep squeezing your glutes. Halfway there. Woo! And up. Back, back, and up. Stay low. Come on. Just a few more. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hop it up. Shake it out. 20 seconds. Then the opposite leg is gonna curtsy back and kick out. Now we get this one. This side gets a nice turn to feel the burn. All right, find your stance. Get down low in 3, 2, 1. Exhale, kick. Again, fast or slow, this is HIIT, so the goal is to push yourself as hard as you can, but only you know what that is right now. And up, good. First day of booty challenge, we got this. Good, a few more seconds. Up, good. And up. Woo. Ooh, keep that weight in that heel of your standing leg. Down, kick. You have about 8 more seconds. Kick. 3, 2, last one, come on. Up, woo. Shake it out, tap out that booty. I love like a little fist, it's almost like a massage. Get it. We only have one more move, you guys. Got this. Okay, so we have those bat jumps. You get low and then explode up. In 3, 2, 1, bring it up and down. Get low, on the toes. So I want you at home to keep doing this, but modification, stand, get low, stand, get low, up, tap it out, up, tap it out. So if the jump is too much, come here. Otherwise, let's get those jumps in, up, down, yes, woo, ooh, that booty, sit it back and down. Exhale, explode. 2 more, last one. Exhale, shake it out, woo. All right, you guys, so in 5 minutes, heart rate went way up. Anything that might have been stressing you out that you were thinking about is definitely not on your mind right now, because how would you have time? Like, that was like full out craziness, which is the cool thing about HIIT workouts. They're super empowering. They give you that opportunity to just like prove to yourself how strong you are mentally and physically. So if all you got right now is 5 minutes, that's fine. Feel amazing and proud of yourself for doing that. But if you got a little more in you, I want you to do this 3 more times. Don't be scared, it's not that scary. 20 minutes total, you're going to get a killer calorie burning booty HIIT workout. And again, this is only day 1 of our LSF booty challenge. So if you haven't signed up yet, the link is below. Share this with your friends, get them to do it with you. 14 days of those booty toning workouts. I cannot wait to get started with you guys. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye.